Okay, thanks for stopping by my video. This is Gordon Day, and I am in Nature Trail today looking at a new construction house. You can see the fine details, windows, little plants out in front. Different than most homes that you would see. As you enter, you have a nice wood floor. 10-foot ceilings going up to maybe 12. Light and bright. There's no lights on, and you can see how light this house is. This would be your dining room. Again, very light and bright, all wood floors, beautifully done. In the kitchen, it's very nice. Let's see if we can turn on a few lights here. Very open. Upgraded appliances. With your Kenmore Elites. Nice little breakfast nook area. Again, with the wood floors all the way throughout. You have a nice island with your Kenmore Elite dishwasher. Built-in bookcases, fireplace. I'm standing in the kitchen so you can see how open it is to the family room. All granite countertops. Looking back out to the dining room. From the kitchen, breakfast nook, nice backyard. Go through the family room. We'll go into one of the bedrooms in the back. This would be nice for a mother-in-law, father-in-law suite, or a teenager, as you have a bathroom right outside to the right. And then there's a door that goes to a very large covered back porch. You can hear all the nature out there. Okay. Let's see what the master looks like. Again, you got a gas fireplace, lots of wood floors. We'll go back through the kitchen into the master. Very good sized master bedroom. Lights over the ledge. French doors going to the back covered porch. Nicely done master bathroom. Granite. Nice tile around the oval tub. Tile shower. Very good size closet on both sides. And that's the main part of this house. Anyway, I want to thank you again for stopping by my video and seeing what's happening in Nature Trail and other new homes around Pensacola, Florida. Feel free to give me a call for more information, more pictures on any of these homes. My number is 850-748-0575, or you can just go to my website, www.PensacolaRealEstateData.com. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to speaking with you very soon.